Hey guys, oh fuck. Okay, hey guys, today's video is gonna be a really fun, quick unboxing try-on style version. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing some stuff I ordered online and trying it on for you guys, and that's about it. So if you guys want to see what I got in the mail, then just keep watching. As you would have already seen in my last video, I did get some butt masks. So if you guys want to see how that worked out, then you should go and head over to my last video. I can leave it linked down below, so you guys should go check it out. But other than the butt masks, I ordered some other stuff. I got this Marc Jacobs black eyeliner in the shade Blacker for free because I used a coupon code, and I haven't even opened this yet, and I'm not going to be trying it for you guys on camera today because I already did my eyes. So this is the eyeliner I'm wearing today. I already had one of these, but I just got a new one for the future when I will need it. So I just used it to create my wing, and then I took a really small brush and I just smoked it out. I'll give you guys a little swatch. This is my favorite eyeliner ever. My hand's a little orange from the blush. Okay. These eyeliners are just really good. They're so pigmented. They stay on all day. And they're really easy to work with because they're so soft. Here's another swatch from the same brand. Stunning. These liners are super easy to work with. Once you put them on, they're really easy to blend, and they go great with every look. So yeah, that's the deal with that eyeliner. I'm really excited about that purchase. I also ordered a couple samples because you get to pick the samples that you want to try. So I got this Briogeo Scalp Revival. Oops. I already got this as my birthday gift too, but I thought I would get another one because why not have another free thing? Okay. I also got this Glow Recipe Watermelon because I've always seen this in the store and I never got to try it, so I thought it would be cute to try out. Next up is this hand lotion. I just think these hand lotions are so freaking cute and tiny, and you could literally throw this in any purse and it would fit perfectly. So I already have the hemp one. I kind of want another one of these already. But so I went ahead and got the honey one. So now I have one for my purse, one for my other bag. I have so many bags, so I'm going to go ahead and try out this one on camera for you guys. Let me wipe off all this extra makeup though. So how are you guys doing? Leave a comment down below. I would love to know. Okay, let's open up this baby and see what it smells like. Ooh, it goes with my nails too. That's so cute. Oops. Ooh, interesting. Oh, it's an exfoliate? Ugh, damn it. I hate when I buy something and I don't realize that it's actually exfoliating. Exfoliating stuff is just not my thing, but I mean, let's try it out while we have it. Ugh, it feels like a scrub. This doesn't feel right, but it smells good. I just don't like the feeling of little exfoliating balls on my skin. I feel like this is nasty. Ugh. Shouldn't have done it. Shouldn't have done it. I'm like, do the balls go away, or am I gonna have to go wash my hands? Okay, it says it's non-drying and that my hands will be softer and more beautiful. This is just never ending. That wasn't very fun. I'm taking it off. I think I'll make it work another time, but this is just not for me at the moment. Next up in my box is this Milk tattoo stamp. So I ordered this because How the fuck do you open this, bro? Ah! Oh my god. I'm gonna go ask my mom to open this for me because I am struggling. I'm back. I'm out of breath. My mom opened it for me. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's from Milk Makeup. It's a little stamp. I'll insert a picture of the like ones I thought were cute. I chose this shape, the star, because I figured that is probably one of the hardest shapes to make on your face. They also sold a heart one, and they even sold a cute little Aquarius one where it's like the little squiggly lines. But I figured I could easily try to recreate those myself and that I couldn't recreate the star. So that's why I got this one particularly. So this is what it looks like. And let me try it out on the back of my hand. Cute. Okay. Maybe I did it too hard because I don't want the circle around it. Yeah, you just have to do it lightly. And as for my hand, it's bleeding a little. So who knows if it'll do that on my face, but we shall check it out. I'm excited overall that I got this. I've never tried one of these before. I even did some fake freckles for underneath because I love freckles. So I'm gonna do some freckles with this actually. And yeah, let me get out my mirror. I'm scared, but I'm excited. Okay. Sorry for the delay, even though you experienced no delay because I can edit. Okay. We're trying it out now. Okay guys, this is the real deal. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay. Try one up here. Oops. That one looks like nothing. Oh my god. Okay, that one fucked up for sure. Okay. Okay, that one's not as bad. That one's cute. That one's cute. Okay, overall, I like it. I need one more here. This is fun. I need to remember not to get carried away. But this is freaking fun. I could do this all day. Look how many cute ones. I like the ones. Like, I really like this one, how there's like a hole in the middle. Looks super interesting. Should I? Okay, I have like a little mole right here, a little beauty mark, if you will. So I'm gonna add one right on top of that. Okay, go off. Okay, I think I need one more right here, and then we're gonna call it a day. I love it. I'm glad I got this. This is so fun. Wow. What a day, man. We're not even done yet. This is so sick, dude. Like, I feel like I'm gonna go to Coachella. I've never been to Coachella, but I feel like I'm gonna go to a festival. I feel like I'm ready to rock the world. I feel like I'm about to go to a concert. I look so freaking cute. I feel like an e-girl, or maybe a TikTok star. I don't know. I'm just feeling myself. Go off. I look so cute. I'm sorry. I'm just like obsessed with myself. Okay. Next in the box and the last in the box. So I'm sorry this video had to end so soon, you guys, but I got this to support my girl, Kathleen. If you don't know her, I've talked about her in almost every video, so I don't know how you don't know who she is, but you know who I am. But anyways, she's hands down like one of my favorite YouTubers. She's really good at makeup, and she just enjoys a lot of the same products that I do. So I always end up buying stuff that she likes. So she recently collabed with Briogeo, the same brand that, you get me? Okay. With Briogeo. She created the Be Well Aromatic Essential Oils Kit. I love essential oils. I have an air diffuser, so I'm all about essential oils. I think they're really cool. So these are the amethyst, rose quartz, and citrine roller balls. So they're bougie. They're not just like, you know what I mean? She's on her shit. She's got this on lock. Okay. And then here's a note from Kathleen. Hey guys, I'm so excited to bring you this kit with Briogeo featuring essential oils and my favorite to-go crystals. We paired up with crystal rollerballs with a fitting blend of aromatic oils that we think can enable healing and positivity to flow through with every roll. I'm not even done reading it yet, but I mean, that sounds amazing. I need that healing and positivity in my life right now. That sounds 10 out of 10. Okay. And who doesn't want a little peace in their life? Amethyst helps to relieve stress and bring a sense of calm. Here we combine lavender, bergamot, and clary sage essential oils to keep you chill. Rose quartz helps encourage self-love. Here we combine rose, clove, eucalyptus essential oils to rest and reset. Citrine helps to enhance your creative energy. Here we combine sandalwood, cedar, and bergamot to keep you centered. Love, Kathleen. Kathleen, if you're watching this, I'm so happy I got to support you, queen. Can't wait to open this up. I told myself I wasn't going to buy this. This was $38, by the way, but I did it. Oh, I forgot. It comes with a cute little thing to keep all your stuff in. That's cute. Okay. Here are them. Here are they. Here they are. Which one should I try first? Let's try the lavender one because it's the first one. This is the lavender and chill. And let's put that by my neck. See if I smell this baby. Ooh, I can already smell it. Let me put some on my hand. I'm just gonna load up my wrist. Okay, I like this one. It's very, it's not, okay, here's the little thingy. It's not as strong as I thought it would be. It's really calming and it's not too lavendery. It's not very strong. It's like a combination. You can tell it's a combination of multiple things. I like that. Cute. Okay, next is the Rose and Reset. Here is the little stone. What is this called? You know what I'm talking about. Okay, here's the roller ball. That's what I was trying to think of. Let's try this. This hand instead. Okay, this one is even lighter than the other one. I don't know how to describe, like, it's not like it's non-existent, it's just a very light smell. It's not overpowering at all. If anything, I think the lavender one is a little more strong than the rose. But I like it. It smells good. It smells good. I'm here for it. Okay, moving on to the last one. This is the last one. This is the citrine and centered. I think I'm probably most excited about this one. Here's what the roller ball looks like. And let me do it on the back of my hand. Oh my god. This is probably gonna be my favorite one. That smells amazing. Oh my god, I just wanna like... That smells so bomb, dude. What is this supposed to smell like again? Let me see. Sandalwood, cedar, and bergamot. I'm not very good with smells, so I can't tell you exactly what the hint of what I'm smelling is. But it's amazing. It smells like clean and fresh. And also a little sweet so it's not like super floral, or like, you know, it's not very floral. Maybe it's the cedar wood I'm getting. Wow, that was cute. I'm excited to keep these in my bag. And I remember when she first came out with these, she specifically said, you know, these aren't meant to be like long wearing, they're not supposed to be a fragrance. Oh my god, I'm obsessed, it smells so good. So she said it's not supposed to be a long wearing fragrance, you know, she just said that it's meant to reapply throughout the day. Like for example, I would probably use this one throughout the day, like if I'm going anywhere. I mean, I'm not going anywhere now, but if I were to go anywhere, or even if I was just going for a walk, you know, like I feel like this would be amazing to carry with me. This lavender one I would probably use right before I go to bed, because I even have this lavender Laneige sleeping mask, so I really just love going with all the lavender at night because it's supposed to help you sleep and stuff like that. I would say these two are probably my favorite, but that's just off first impressions. So if you guys want to see an update and you want to know if I still like them a week from now, or if I'm still using them, you know, then you should definitely let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Like I said in my last video, help me think of a fun idea for 420, please. I don't know what else I should do. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. If you think it would be fun for me to do like a little paint sesh, I'm down for that as well. And yeah. Oh god, this smell is to die for. All these scents combined, I need to take these down to my mom right now so she can smell them. Okay guys, that completes this video. Let me know what your favorite thing that I used today was. Was it the Marc Jacobs? I doubt it was this. Or maybe it was the Briogeo, maybe it was the Milk stamp. I've never tried a stamp like this before, and I had the time of my life, I guess you could say. This was so fun, and I'm gonna continue to use this stamp. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Now I shall take my thumbnail. Okay. Tired of smiling.